Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to lose weight and keep it off. Losing weight can be a challenge, but it's definitely possible. With a little planning and effort, you can reach your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy weight for the long term. There are a few key things to keep in mind when trying to lose weight. First, you need to create a calorie deficit. This means burning more calories than you consume. You can do this by eating fewer calories, exercising more, or a combination of both. Tips for creating a calorie deficit. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are low in calories and high in nutrients. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These foods are high in calories and low in nutrients. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Once you've lost weight, it's important to maintain it. Here are a few tips for keeping the weight off. Continue to eat a healthy diet. Don't go back to your old eating habits. Stay active. Exercise is important for weight maintenance. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling to maintain your weight loss, talk to a doctor or registered dietitian. Losing weight and keeping it off can be a challenge, but it's definitely possible. By following the tips I've mentioned in this video, you can reach your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy weight for the long term. If you're interested in learning more about weight loss, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on this topic. Thanks for watching.